have this keychain. And this keychain. We have this keychain. Who would like this keychain? It's for Daddy Chambers. And the next prize, it's for Daddy Chains. Thank you to come to this show of the world. But we're not finished these two presents. And now give me one of them. Wait, you have to have this. Presents were given them to Dad. Present them these things that we put candy in them. Megan.
Give her one.
That prize is for Julia Eloise Chambers. Give them to Julia Eloise. Not all of them. Yes, all of them.
No crying, Jules.
And now I have to say something. Oh, I'm not getting you anything. Stephen, you're just doing that. Now we'll finish the prizes. Maybe somebody will draw a picture for the person that wanted to come. We're not finished. They're sick. Oh, present that. We have this skipping rope that and then you could skip whenever you want, and your mom won't know when you're skipping, but you will do everything tricks on your mom. I think somebody made this Juliet. Daddy Chambers. Daddy Chambers. Now, I think somebody made this picture for somebody that was sick and couldn't come for the prize. But we will give him a prize too.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. We'll see you next time.